It's lit, we in the A, we in the A.
In this life, have money or you go suffer.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Let me watch how you move that thing, girl. 'Cause that thing is a weapon. When I'm with you, I'm still winning. Even if I come second, I swear that each and every time that I hit, feel more like a legend. So I bought you the panties with the bow, 'cause that ass is a present. Maybe you should put your phone down. Nobody around. Don't worry about no sound. We could just go now. We could just go now. Yeah, we can just go now. You can put your phone down. Nobody around. Don't worry about no sound. We can just go now. We can just go now. Yeah, we can just. Nobody around. We can just. No sound. We can just go now. Yeah, we can
Yo,
just.
hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up.
Nobody
Fix things, fix things.
around. Nobody around.
Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Kinda blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
What's up, y'all? We in the A. I just turned 23. It's my birthday. It's your girl Nigeriandoll back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So like I said, we're in the A, Atlanta, and it is my 23rd birthday, and y'all gonna celebrate with me today. We just got here. The time is 6:47.
Yeah, she gotta take time.
Gotta take time. It's been a rough day. We done went through a whole bunch of speed bumps, But we here and we made it. But I'm definitely gonna bring y'all along. So I'll see you guys.
look better than this
Right.
time.
Right.
I just got here.
We just got here. We just got here.
Don't slander.
Like
right now.
like but alright y'all, I'm gonna see you guys back later. Hey y'all, so the time is 8:13 and we're getting something to eat, and we're at this place called Cookout. So we're just getting something quickly because we are going out tonight. We're going to get something to eat, and then we're also going to go to the liquor store, and then we're going out tonight. So
I'm gonna get something quick because bloating is not.
it's not for us
It's not
right
it.
now.
I need-
Not tonight. Okay.
Stomach is not as exercise.
I'm sorry, what did you say? we don't got time to be catching our breaths. Like, not today.
Not today. Can't do it.
Right. So with that being said, we'll see you guys inside. There you go. Thank you. There's that. I was gonna say. Not bad.
Oh, soft. How is it soft and hot? I made no sense.
They didn't cook them long.
We could have just went to McDonald's.
Big double with no problem. Y'all know.
Same fucking results.
Okay, y'all know I like McDonald's. I don't care. They have the best cookies, the best coffee. I don't care when nobody says. When she come back, remind me to ask her for ketchup.
Okay.
Oh. And then let me look at the liquor store. Can I get some ketchup, please? Here.
No.
Can I get a little bit more than this? I apologize. Thank you. She literally gave me 2 more. Look how many onion rings that.
5.
Look how many onion
5.
rings. Look how many onion rings that gave
1,
her.
2, wait, 4.
No. Oh.
This is 4.
That gave her 4. Yeah.
I could have just gotten
We could have went to McDonald's with no problem.
gotten the same fucking result.
Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and go to the liquor store. They were like, these bitches is annoying. These girls is annoying.
Don't put 2 of us in the same space.
Okay, I mean, it's gonna be lit, but it's just gonna be a lot of funniness, like.
I'm sorry for the shenanigans.
Okay. And no. 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 We outside, bitch.
We is outside.
We outside. We outside, okay? In the streets. I'm fucking up, okay? Downtown, midtown, a lot now. Catch us. And, bro, and to think that we haven't even drank, like.
This is sober.
Okay? This is sober us.
Nope.
What's up, y'all?
We're ready.
We're ready. Can you turn it down?
Oh.
Oops. So we live. We just got done getting ready. We're about to take a shot, but we wanted to bring you guys along. So here.
I'm not good at this. I will be using a chaser, and it's okay.
Y'all know I'm doing maybe. It's
It's
okay.
okay.
It's okay. Okay. So
Okay.
cheers.
Happy birthday!
And purr.
That purr was not good. You said,
That is it for today. We will see you guys tomorrow. I might show you guys the club. I don't know. I mean,
are we gonna be okay? Okay.
alright, bye.
Go, 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 go.
Purchase their tracks today.
Good morning. Come. Good morning. So this is the next day. It is 2:45 and we just got done getting ready. We're waiting for our lift right now. We're about to go get something to eat. Yeah, we're about to get some starving. But yeah, just updating you guys. Last night was fun.
Yeah.
I might put some clips in there.
We didn't really take a lot of video.
Right.
We was gone.
It was lit, like. But yeah, just updating you guys, and I'll catch you guys back. Okay, yeah, we just got our food. I got some French toast, sausage with some potatoes, and then what'd you get?
I got a breakfast bowl and fruit bowl and the mimosas.
So she got, what'd you get? Passion fruit, and then I got a watermelon a watermelon mimosa. So we're here. We got the vibes. You look so good. Golden Bay. This is my all-time Golden Bay. So
You look good, baby.
girl. So we're here. We're about to eat. And yeah. So we just got done eating. It was really good.
It was.
Like probably a 10 out of 10. Like,
And I think it's black owned too. So.
right, which is also good. Great. From the like customer service, like all of it was just great.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good. So now we're gonna go to Lenox Square, which is a mall here in Atlanta, and we're probably not gonna be there for long. I want to just get one thing, and then Edna wants to get something as well. So I'll go ahead and see you guys at the mall. Well, hello guys. We have reached the ending of our trip, and I must say, Alana, you have done me right. Like, I have no regrets, no problems. It was definitely vibes. And now, you have anything to say?
It was fun. That's it.
Okay. That's it, and that's all. So we are currently at the airport now. My flight leaves at 6:45, and it is 5:18, July 4th. Yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. If you made it this far and you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed, please do so now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.